Hey, Miss Sullivan. So I just wanted to show you here what I got going on. So here I'm in the assignments, and so when I log into the Share Nearpod website, it basically brings me to this. Um, it tells me that I need to complete 30 minutes of iStation. So I try to go into iStation. That's not accepting the username HP.Z3 with the password Z.123456. So we've tried with the at pbsc.com. We've tried. So I can't get into iStation, um, which this requires me to do. So I tried to go in and do her accountability for today. Click on this, and I get an error that it's not accepting any responses. So I tried to click on this link here for this new site PowerPoint, and then I use everything with the web app, and I get this. And it was the same thing yesterday with some of her assignments, and then today and even on Monday with that one assignment with Mrs. Manch. I put in the request, so request access. But even with that, like you can see, I requested access for this one 59 minutes ago. I just don't get access to any of these assignments. So unfortunately, Sora has been rather unproductive. I feel your pain, but I just wanted to show you to see if maybe I'm looking or doing something different than I should. So that's pretty much where we're at this point.